In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn to a diameter the easy way, just like I just showed you how to turn face to length the easy way. This time, we're going to be using a micrometer to measure instead of a caliper, because that's what we use on the lathe when we're measuring diameters. So what I got to do is make sure the lathe's safe, just like before. We're in safe mode here. I'm going to put my part in so it's sticking out enough to turn, but I'm gripping enough so it's not gonna, the part's not going to fall out. Tighten it down. So what the first thing we need to do, since the control of the machine has no idea where the tip of the tool is, we've got to tell it that. So what the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little skim cut off the outside of this thing. This is how we do that. In the DRO mode, turn the machine on. Slowly bring the tool tip to touch the outside diameter. Bring it back on the Z, going about 10 thousandths on the X. Now you're going to use the Z handle to slowly take a cut in far enough so I can take a measurement. Slowly go back out, and I don't move the X handle. Make sure the X handle does not get moved. Shut the machine off and make it safe by hitting the mode key. Now I'm going to use my 0 to 1 inch micrometer to measure my piece to see where I am right now. And right now this part measures, let's see, we're bigger than the 9, so it's 900 plus 2 lines, that's 25 and 25 is 50, so 950, plus the number over here is 22, so 950 plus 22 is 972. The easy way to do this is to set the machine in DRO mode, set the X to that number, X.972 set. Now I want to turn this down to 950 thousandths right now. So the easiest thing to do is just turn the X handle in until you see 950 thousandths. Now we're going to take another cut. Moving along the Z-axis, when we get to the end of the cut, we're going to turn the X handle so the tool bit comes out. Stop the machine and make it safe again. And I'm going to measure it. I should have 950 thousandths. I'm at 952, which is pretty close. If we have a plus or minus 5 tolerance, that would be a good part. So okay, now I know I'm off by a little bit. That's no big deal. Now I want to turn it to 900. Back to my DRO mode. Bring my tool bit away from the part a little bit and bring the X-axis into 900. Okay. Spindle. Nice easy cut. All the way in until I stop and then bring it out on the X. Move the tool bit away, make the machine safe, and take another measurement. It'll probably be 902, I'm guessing, since it was off by 2 thousandths. Close, 900, 901. So we're within about 1,000th of where we should be. So we can just keep doing this. Every time you want to make a diameter now, the machine knows where the tip of the tool is in reference to the size of the part. So as long as you go to a number on the X, you should be able to turn that diameter on this part. So if I wanted to go to 875, I'll just go here, set it at 875, take another cut. Measure it. And I'm bigger than the 8, so 800 plus 3 lines. 3 times 25 is 75. 875 plus the 1 is 876. So that's a good diameter. Hope it helps.